thank you for coming this morning to support Samawada. It's great to see all of you, and it's good to be in community with all of you on this day for this wonderful event. Samawada is a community bridge building organization which is committed to fostering connections and creating meaningful change by providing access to water infrastructure in East Africa.
And so since its founding in 2018, Samawada has taken significant steps to address water scarcity in Somalia.
It's a Canadian registered charity dedicated to empowering local communities to build, access, and maintain essential water resources.
Samawada has demonstrated that change is possible through community-driven solutions, sustainable water management, and the commitment to addressing immediate needs while building long-term resilience.
Samawada envisions a future where no one is deprived of the fundamental resource. By working together with compassion and purpose, Samawada strives to uplift communities and ensure that access to clean drinking water becomes a reality for all. Together, we can create a future rooted in hope, resilience, and shared prosperity.
And so by empowering local communities and implementing these innovative strategies, we can turn despair into hope. And we can turn scarcity into abundance. Thank you so much for being here, for listening, and for supporting this beautiful, beautiful cause.
We look forward to seeing you again and working with you in the days and in the weeks and in the years to come. Thank you so much. Thank you.